SN type reactions. So here what are SN type reactions? The substitution reactions in which one nucleophile is replaced by another nucleophile. Means here one is outgoing nucleophile and another one is incoming nucleophile are called nucleophilic substitution reactions. Here what are SN type reactions? We will understand it by taking one general example. That is I am writing here. Just look at the example. One is outgoing nucleophile and another one is incoming nucleophile. And in this reaction solvent is most important. By that solvent only you can get results, and then intermediate or transition state, and then we will get result. And some basic terms to understand SN type reactions are basicity, an ion or molecule which donates electron pair to either proton or hydrogen is called basicity, and basicity is a thermodynamic term. And then another definition we have to learn about is nucleophilicity. So here what is nucleophilicity? The tendency of donating electron pair to any electron deficient center other than proton and hydrogen. Here we have to clear very clear about other than proton and hydrogen is called nucleophilicity, and nucleophilicity is kinetic term. And here factors explains are affecting the nucleophilicity are in periods from left to right electronegativity increases, but here nucleophilicity decreases. In periods, nucleophilicity is directly proportional to the basicity. And here I am writing some examples. By those examples, you can know about what is basicity and nucleophilicity and what are the difference between them. So here, look at these examples and there is those orders. You can understand it. And next, this is comes under electronegativity of nucleophile. And next subtopic is polarization phenomena. In groups from top to bottom, atomic size increases. So here, atomic size increases. The polarization increases. Size increases means polarization increases. Therefore, nucleophilicity increases. But in groups, nucleophilicity is inversely proportional to the basicity. Here, electron negativity and polarization are quite different in groups and periods, and you can understand that by these examples and their basicity and nucleophilicity. Just look at those examples and some other examples also I am giving. And next, electron density on nucleophile. So here what is it? If electron density increases on nucleophile, nucleophilicity increases. Therefore, anion, not cation, here anion has more density than the neutral one. And again I am giving some examples, just go through them and you will know. Another topic is with same donor atom. With same donor atom, nucleophilicity is directly proportional to the basicity. And some other examples I am giving under this subtopic. You can know about it by these examples. And then, but when steric factor increases the same donor atom, nucleophilicity decreases. So here steric factor increases, nucleophilicity decreases. And just see these examples. Steric factor increases, nucleophilicity decreases. And here living groups. Weak base is good living group. If the base is weak, then it will be live very easily. So here some bad living groups are converted into good living groups by adding some suitable reagents, so we can do the reaction very easily. And here another classification of solvents. Here we have types of solvents. First one is polar solvents. Solvent which has high dielectric constant are called polar solvent, high dielectric constant. And I am giving some examples here. You just look at them, you will know about them. And then non-polar solvents. Solvent which has very low dielectric constant are called non-polar. So polar and non-polar are very quite different. And now Again, I am giving examples. And here we have other two types based on hydrogen bonds. So these two types are divided into two types because of depending upon hydrogen bonding. So here protic solvents. Solvent which acts as hydrogen bond donor are called protic solvents, and I'm giving some examples. And the last one is aprotic solvent, solvent which can't act as hydrogen bond donor, and I'm giving some examples also here. You can look at